Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B Bullet RC coming at you guys again with yet another video. And today I was chilling, sitting around, playing a little bit of Call of Duty, playing a little bit of Gears. Lo and behold, a box hits my door. Okay, and this box is not regular. This is a big ass box. So I was planning to take today off, but apparently, and the box came from Foot Locker. Foot Locker had other plans for me today. And matter of fact, let me grab this joint real quick. And as y'all can see, if I can slide through here. Hold on, gotta save the knife. This box is what hit my doorstep. Now, I don't know how well the size of this box is actually being represented right now on the camera, but trust me, it's a big box. And it is slick kind of heavy, so I'm wondering what's inside. And remember, man, as always, if you're enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on this bit. I might have to just unbox it like this because it's a lot. It's a little bit too heavy to hold in one hand if I'm being completely honest. Go ahead and cut across the top. Peel this open. Go ahead and get the other side. There we go. Knife, we appreciate you, but it is time to get into the box. So, okay, let's go ahead. Let's see. Hold on. Came in a Foot Locker box, but it's actually from Champs. Let me try to flip this bad boy over. And we also got a little note with my name on it. Appreciate you guys over at Champs. And it's a big coca-cola box. It's actually a Coca-Cola fridge in here. Hold on. Let me take this bad boy out so y'all can see what I'm talking about here. And no, this video is not sponsored by Coca-Cola, but if they want to pay me, then listen, hit me up. Yes, it came with a Coca-Cola display fridge. So let me go ahead and toss this over to the side because we don't need it. And wham! But let's go ahead and flip this bad boy back over and get into the inside of it. Of course, the mini fridge is on the inside. Blam, pop this open. This shit's heavy. Put that down for a second. Nothing else is inside the box. You just got the Champion Coca-Cola tag on the inside again. I'll put this in the bag. Now, here is the actual mini fridge itself. It actually has Champion and Champs logos. You guys can see all over, kind of an old school, old style mini fridge. But if we flip this open, we have a lot. We got a nice little package going on here. Got some classic Coke bottles on the inside. And yeah, like I said, man, it was actually a Champion and Coca-Cola collab. So he sent me over a few tees, probably a nice sweatsuit. Got this tee right here, just says Champion, it's the real thing, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola on the back. Go ahead and take out these right here. Are these pants slick? Oh, slick. I needed some good gray sweats and these, and I slick can kind of wear these with the Yeezys because of that color. But yes, Champion, blam. You actually got the stacked logo on the sides and a lot of good colors, and then you have kind of like an old school Coca-Cola logo on the left side of the leg. Champion embroidered as always. Regular reverse weave on the pants, and then I'm pretty sure this is the last thing. And then yes, I know how to plug it in, blam, all that stuff going on. But they have this last hoodie in here that, god damn, it's a lot of logos on this thing. Okay, so first up on the front, you got Enjoy Coca-Cola with a ton of logos in different colors. The whole hoodie itself is multicolored. You got Coca-Cola embroidered in on the side of the hood. And then as you flip to the back, you then have the stacked Champions once again in multiple colors. Not gonna lie to y'all, when I first seen like the front of this, I didn't know how much I was gonna like it, but I definitely like it more after opening it up and see everything that's going on. It's definitely loud, but I did need some new gray sweats, so appreciate that. So blam, that was the first box. Let me stick plug this joint in and set my house on fire real quick. We're plugged in. Let me plug this in right here. Got a little beep going on. It's on. Not too sure how well y'all can see that because of my lights, but it is lighting up blue, 20 Celsius, and apparently there's a light too. Yes, sir. Peel this bad boy open, and y'all can see that. Matter of fact, I need to turn one of these lights off or something. So y'all probably can't see me, but I at least wanted to show you guys what it looked like in the dark. And go ahead and pop them in there. Another one, and oh wow, I didn't even notice that. Hold on. On all three of the bottles, it actually has custom writing. On this one, you get Champion. On this one, you get CB, which is of course my initials. And then on this one, you get Champ Sports. CB, Champ Sports, and Champion. That's a small, that's actually, that's a good detail, bro. I almost missed that slick. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this bad boy off for a second, but I did want to go ahead and at least include a sneaker in this video. And I still got a very special one. I know this package was fire. Yo, shouts out to champs. Appreciate y'all. Champion, Coke, the bottles is crazy. Like, that's a really dope package. But again, I had another sneaker come in that I'm really excited about. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Okay, we are back, and I have an exclusive unboxing straight from the land of Japan. Shirts came straight from France. Everybody do my dance. That bitch on me in a stance. Some of y'all know where that's from. Some of y'all don't. It's fine. Okay. Now, like I said, these released exclusively in Japan. I didn't think I was gonna be able to get them, and then I looked on StockX, and the prices weren't too bad, so I went ahead and spent my money. I think I got these for $221, which in my opinion, for this shoe, I mean, listen, man, if it's gonna be low, then stay low. I ain't gonna tell y'all so for high. Do what y'all wanna do on StockX, but here y'all see it is a Nike Air box. Let me get a little bit closer. Yes, the lights are just blasting out the Nike Air on top, but y'all know it's a Nike Air box. If we get into the inside of this bad boy, put that in the back. The label reads Air Force 1 07 Premium 2. Now I got mine in a size 11.5. And y'all can see the label right there. Usually with Forces, I go a half size down. But this one's actually a really special one. Of course, StockX sticker is in here. And then, of course, you have the receipt. Now, let's get into the shoe. I'm not gonna waste no more time. And yes sir, y'all are seeing it. I told y'all. The Air Force 1 Shibuya Halloween. Oh yeah, these hitting a little different. Hold on. Yes sir, a lot of y'all can't read that tag right now. Some of y'all can, though, and salutes to y'all. Nihongo de hanashimasu. Watashi wa Christian desu. I forgot. Damn, I forgot. I forgot how to say the whole, like, good morning, my name is, and all that stuff. Ohayo gozaimasu. I'm forgetting. Yes, I'm going to try to remember any piece of Japanese I can from the 3 years I took in high school. But yes, the Shibuya Halloween Air Force 1. These shits is crazy, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Now, it's probably gonna be a little out of frame. It's gonna bother me. Yeah, they way out of frame. But let me at least get the other shoe out. Now, like I said, this shoe is a Halloween release sneaker that I released exclusively in Shibuya, Japan. That's why you guys see on the back of the shoe, there is a SBY for Shibuya. Now, the swoosh, that back tab, all of that is actually 3M, and of course, I mean, you got the see-through skin, the see-through plastic uppers giving you that real 06 to 010 vibe in my opinion on these, and that's why I really wanted them. And honestly, the color and the look, these are fire. I don't know when I'm going to wear these because I really don't want to mess them up, but y'all know, the fit is definitely coming in these for sure. Midsole and outsole is triple blacked out, but in my opinion, it's just an extremely special pair of Air Force Ones. It's something really different, and in hand they look even better. In hand, the colors, the way they pop, everything just looks really good in hand. And I just want to say, yo, shouts out to everybody that was selling these for not trying to crack heads wide open past the white meat and making it easier for us in the US who want to cop the shoe a little bit easier. So listen, man, that is it. That was the second cop, the Shibuya Air Force 1 Low. A shoe that I did not think I was going to be able to get because, again, it was a Japan exclusive release. But thanks to the internet, it actually wasn't that hard. Again, appreciate Champs, Champion, Coke for that package. And that's it, man. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah, 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 of course. Hello. Hi, they came in. Bullet RC. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking about these, bro. In my opinion, these shits is hitting, bro. Y'all know I be into that different shit, and these are right up my alley. But listen, that's enough. That's the video for today. Like I said, make sure to drop a like on this bit. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you have not finessed that bell yet, do that as well. Slight bars. See you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace.